Today I recommend a Tesla touch-up pen. Our products are all dedicated. Tesla Story Gray and Pure Black. Especially this Story Gray was matched last time. Last time we matched, the door was scratch portioned. Let's take a look. The effect after the last repair. Let's take a closer look. From a distance, we can't see the position. The door edge has also been repaired. Let me show you a close-up view. After a period of time, the repair, the color is the same as the original. Is exactly the same as the car. There is only a little bit of uneven paint flow. It can be seen that this is where we repaired, but we can see that its color is actually the same as the original color. It's just that it's not so smooth, because it was manually repaired by us without polishing. When checking the car today, we also found that there is a little bit of paint peeling, so we're going to repair it a little bit here. For small paint chips like this, we don't need to go to the repair shop to fix it, because it will cost hundreds of yuan to repair it. I will demonstrate to you how to repair these small bumps and small paint chips. When we receive it, we just shake it well directly, then we unscrew the cap and apply it. After unscrewing, we can scrape a little here and apply it and mat to top. Just a little bit. This is the effect after the repair. You can see it when you look closely. We scratched a little deeper because there is a small groove in the middle. You can see it clearly. Color of it and the surrounding color is the same, as it prevents the primer from rusting to cover it up. After using it for a while, it will become closer to the original car. The color will not be so obvious when you look. This touch-up pen is also a very practical, smaller product. I recommend it to you.